Good morning and welcome to Futures and Charts. It is September 16th, about 8:02 a.m. And I thought we'd just start out with the grain markets. As you can see, the spring wheat, that I do have a chart for spring wheat, but it's down 12 today, giving up some of what it had gained last week. And just refresh that, so you can see we're pulling back a little bit. We just about ran up. The wick just about hit our resistance line here, and so there's another trend line right here, which it did come down and test. I had this trend line on before. It tested that and it bounced up, hit our resistance here, and now we're pulling back a little bit. So we could just trade sideways a little bit here until it gains enough momentum to break through some of this resistance. But there's about 3 areas of resistance here. So let me bring that up a little bit so you can see it actually. There you go. There's about 3 levels of resistance here that we would have to get through. But it did bounce off and it's looking real good there. So I just think it's going to trade sideways until we get either a news event or something's going on with Ukraine, Russia, weather event where it's going to power higher. And it was about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I believe, there was the short positions in wheat was like 70,000 contracts, and now it's down to 31. So the shorts have actually covered a lot of their positions, which is why I believe which has helped it go up. And so I think that it could be that we just trade kind of sideways here for a little while, like I say. So some of the short positions have been covered. We've taken care of some of that, and I think we could just go sideways for a little while. So, like I say, until something happens or that, changes the momentum, I think that's just kind of where we're at here. So the diesel chart, diesel is up 1.5 pennies today, so we're still muddling around down in this bottom area here, which I do think is kind of a near-term bottom. I think it's going to try and work its way back up, especially if we have a surprise 50% or 50 basis point move in the Fed's interest rate move this week. So that could weaken the dollar and push up our commodities a little bit. That could be what pushes wheat up too. Who knows? Because commodities do like a weaker dollar because it'll help our export situation. So, but yeah, there's a look at all of the oil and diesel. So oil's up 170 today, so pretty good move up. So anyway, that sounds like about what I got for you today. We'll just keep watching this from day to day, and see what happens, and I'll let you know as soon as I know, and we'll make another video again tomorrow. So we'll catch you later.